Welcome to my YouTube channel, guys, and today in this particular video I will talk about how you can make money with affiliate marketing and AdSense as well. I will talk each and everything in this video that how you can do this. We will use ChatGPT and Blogger website for this. So before starting the video, I want to say something that you will require no hosting, no domain, no any paid tool. All method in this video is free. I have applied this technique and my few articles got ranked on Google search engine on first page. And when Google got ranked my article on first page with that particular keyword, so I got too many sales after that. Purpose of this video is to tell you that how you can do this without any paid tool, and you can do this easily. This video can be little bit long, but you have to watch this complete video to understand the complete method. If you are new or a beginner and you don't know about what is affiliate marketing, what is AdSense, what is article and each and everything, I will show you each and everything step by step in this video, so you will apply this technique. I will take you to my screen and I will show you each and everything on my screen, so you will understand and you will know the idea that how you can do this. So let's move to the screen, so I will show you practically. So guys, now we will start that how you can do this. Each and everything in this video I will discuss. So first of all, if you are new on my channel, make sure to subscribe this channel, and you can check the playlist as well for Fiverr affiliates and DG Store 24, cause it will help you to understand what I'm going to say in this video. But don't worry, I will talk each and everything in this video that. So first of all, now for example, you are going to promote your article on Blogger website, and then how you can do this I will show you. So first of all, you will select the network means you will select the network for affiliate marketing. I will also talk about AdSense as well in this video, but my focus on affiliate marketing in this video that you can do this for joining DG Store at 24. How you can join, you can check my playlist and you will understand that, and even you can check my earnings for DG Store 24. So here you will select some niche. So for example, this niche is giving us $22 if I promote this particular product. So whenever the user will buy this product, it will give me $22, right? So the ultimate keto meal plan. So for example, I'm going to select this title from here, and after that we will check the ratio of this keyword. So guys, I have copied the title from here. Then you will go to the Google and you will write neilpatel.com Uber Suggest. Uber Suggest is a free tool to search keywords, and we will find some keywords to write article, free article with ChatGPT. I will show you ChatGPT how you can do this. So I will click over here on a search. So it will give us the idea that which article has low competition. So we will select the article from here. So guys, I pasted this keyword over this tool, and you can see the ultimate keto meal plan, language English, location United States, and the results it shows us that 110 search volume and difficulty 81, paid difficulty 100. So ignore these two things, so we will focus on these things. But let me tell you one thing, that it is giving us suggestions for this keywords, and I will tell you that no keyword tool is accurate, so don't focus on that. The volume is 50-50, means 50 traffic from this keyword and 50 traffic for this keyword. So don't worry if the keyword is showing on some particular authority tool, that means the 50 traffic is not possible, because if it shows on tools, that means the traffic has more, the keyword has more potential than the tool doesn't know that that tool doesn't have that much data. So for example, I will select these two keywords and we will make an article in front of you. So after that, after you will just need to copy these both keywords or if you are working on different niches or different product, so you will select according to your product. So guys, after searching some keywords, I have found this keyword as well, best keto meal plan. So we will select these both keywords. So guys, I have copied these two keywords on Notepad, and then we will move to the Chat GPT. Chat GPT is a platform you can generate multiple free articles with the help of OpenAI Chat GPT. Simply go to their website openai.com, then click over here, try Chat GPT, click over there. It will ask you your Gmail ID. You will click on your sign up with your Gmail ID. Then it will definitely show you the interface and dashboard in front of you. So you will be able to generate multiple articles in front of you, and this will take just 5 minutes to generate a unique article. So after that, you can see over here the thing is appearing over here. We are experiencing exceptionally high demand. Please hang tight as we work on scaling our system. So the system is a little bit slow because many people might using this website. So don't worry. Then you will go to the search bar and write. So guys, I have written over here, write 800 words blog on best keto meal plan. I will click over here, so it will start generating article in front of you, and after that we will pick the article from here, a unique article from here, and then we will paste it on Blogger website. It will give you an idea. So guys, this AI tool has generated the article. Now it's time to move to the Blogger website. I will click over here. Here you can see the Blogger website. Just need to go Google and type blogger.com. It will ask your Gmail ID, and then definitely exactly you can get this type of dashboard. This is absolutely new account I have created for you. So first of all, you can see posts, stats, comments, earnings. So the thing, first of all, I will tell you in this video that earnings, guys, as well as I will talk about AdSense. And here you can see the dashboard over here, that there are too many things appearing on here, but I will click over here on earnings, and after that you can even monetize your website with Blogger, and the procedure will be discussed over here. That simply you can see, create a new AdSense account, start earning from ads by creating an AdSense account. When you set up a AdSense account, we will automatically place ads for you in all the best places. So just need to click over here, create AdSense account, and your account will be created. But I will recommend you to never join until you post at least 10 to 15 posts. And if you have any question related to AdSense account, even they have mentioned over here that how can I add a user to an existing AdSense account, and how much customization and control do I have, and how often will I get paid. So my focus on this video is to related to affiliate marketing, but I have to show that then you can even monetize your website with Blogger. And there are many keywords, my keywords and articles ranked on Google search engine with bloggers, and I got too much traffic with this method as well. Even my few articles got ranked in 48 hours. So here you can see that post, stats, comments, earnings, pages, layout, theme, settings. So it will give you a lot of opportunity to make your free website without hosting, right? I will check view blog. So here you will see that there is no post available because this account is absolutely new, and the URL you can see over here that generated automatically by blogger.com. So this URL will be your website URL. Okay, and there is no post, as I said, that because we have created this account fresh, that's why. So we will generate a article with ChatGPT, and we will post it with over here, and after that I will show you that how you can do this each and everything. So here you can see this is the layout of this website, empty website. Now we will check themes first of all. So there are a lot of free themes over here that you can see, and there are a lot of things appearing. So I have selected this theme, apply, click on the button apply. So this theme will be applied in your post. So new post, I will click over here, and then it will appear over here. Now you can see the buttons. These are the buttons you can use after publishing, I mean while creating your article, right? So here are a lot of things bloggers giving you: headings, subheadings, menu, minor headings, paragraph, normal. Here you can see bold, italic, and this is the link where we will use affiliate link in the article, and we will paste from there, right? And even you can post your image as well, right? So now you can see ChatGPT. We have generated the article from ChatGPT. I will copy the article from here, and then we will paste this article over here, right? So after pasting the article, we will select secondary keyword as well. So it will look like more amazing, right? So give the slash, and you will put your secondary keyword over the article. And then after that, you will make it as a heading, right? So after that, creating your keyword, main title, and each and everything. Now you can see over here that the article, the paragraph, and the title is comes in headings, right? And your article will be appear starting from the below, right? And after that, you can even put images, videos in your article to make it more attractive. So here you can see we have giving the command to ChatGPT, so it has already so you can choose colors for this, for text, and for the background text as well, right? And after that, you can see you can put your images from Pixabay or Pixels or any platform, so you can use it. And you can even, as I said, that you can put your YouTube videos or different videos or emojis. You can select emojis for this, so it will give more attraction. If you want to use that, your choice. Alignments, more alignments you can see over here, column, quotations, and different things appearing over here. So this is not a I mean, this is good website. If you don't have money to purchase hosting or a domain, you can use Blogger, and as well as you can use this website as a landing page, and you can use their website URL to any social platform as well. Here you can see in this article there are a lot of keywords that have generated with ChatGPT. Now you will come to the Digistore 24. If you have joined Digistore 24, promote now, click over there, and you will get the link, your affiliate link, your product link. After that, you will select some paragraph or some words, and then you will click over here, the best keto meal plan, and then you will paste your affiliate link over here, and don't touch anything, leave it these two checkbox, no problem, and click apply. So your affiliate link has been generated. So whenever the user will come to this article and click over there, so it will automatically automatically redirect to that landing page, and if they buy something, you will get commission, right? So there are a lot of keywords in this article automatically generated by ChatGPT. I will click over the preview. Definitely this article is simple, definitely, but you will create article with your requirements. This is the random example. If you give little bit time over there you can generate very amazing landing page and article over here on this website, right? So here, this is the random example. This is very simple article which I have written over here to teach you, to tell you how you can do this, right? But otherwise it will take too much time. Make it more beautiful with videos, videos or pictures, and with the heading, subheading, so it will be very amazing and good. Click on the publish. This will be published on this post. Click over here. That's it. Your post will be published, and after publishing, this will appear over here. So after that, it will appear over this dashboard. 1 2 3 4 5 6 10 12 50, any post which you will create, that will appear over here. Or even you can share with your social networks as well, with this link as well. There is not a big deal, right? So after that, I will click over here, or you will see the link. I will copy over here and I will open it on different windows to check this tool, but leave it. I will show you that this is the ChatGPT optimizing language model for dialogue. This is absolutely free tool till now. Now you will select a Digistore 24 product to promote your affiliate links, and then you will create your account on Blogger, and you will generate your articles, and you will put your articles over here. And after that, within a few days, might your few articles got ranked on Google, and you will get free traffic with Google search engine. And after that, there will be huge chances to get sales, which I have got. I have got too many sales. I have even earned $500 to $700 per day with this method. So $200 per day can be done if you apply this method. Hope this video will become very helpful for you. Take care and goodbye.